did not give any reply to it. He just said that such statement is being presented in a distorted manner. The opposition has got another weapon. Arvind Kejriwal also hurriedly wrote a letter to Bihar CM Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu after Amit Shah's statement, who are two big allies of the BJP government. Actually, this issue also come up because elections are going to be held in Delhi in the month of February and in Bihar also in the month of November. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said, Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji gave us our constitution. He gave rights to every citizen. The way BJP insulted him, the people of the whole country are hurt. The country will not tolerate such insult to Baba Saheb. Not only the Congress party, but the BSP party, which is called the B team of BJP, also come out on the streets against the BJP. On December 24, a demonstration was held at every district headquarters and a memorandum was also given to the president. However, BSP President Mayawati wrote on Twitter account X that Dharna demonstration is not the solution. She said such demonstrations are organized on the call of BSP if the anti-Baba Saheb remarks are not taken back and repentance is not a permanent solution to the problem. For this, the Bahujans will get to become capable of their own salvation by getting the master key of power and becoming the ruling class. Only then will liberation and respect be possible. Dalit society is the key to reach power, which is necessary to use by joining hands with them. One can reach the pinnacle of power. This is now a strong vote bank, a strong faction, very strong and socially very aware. Ambedkar was awakened social and political consciousness in this society. Taking Ambedkar's legacy with him, Kashi Ram changed Dalit politics in Uttar Pradesh, where now the price of ignoring Dalits will be paid by losing power. Uttar Pradesh has given a big blow to the Bharatiya Janata Party during the Lok Sabha elections. During the Lok Sabha, the Congress party was successful in winning this vote bank. It was successful in showing that the constitution and reservation are in danger because of the BJP party coming to power by citing some statements of BJP leaders as evidence. Ambedkar is a god in the Dalit community. The Bharatiya Janata Party also knows this. Media Studies Group has published a book by socialist thinker Madhu Lime, Dr. Ambedkar Ek Chintan. In this, it is written in his reference that Ambedkar had learned from beaten experiences of life that improving the condition of Dalits is part of a wider movement towards establishing an egalitarian society. For this reason, Ambedkar fought for social change. In this, he had ideological differences with others. Ambedkar even denounced Hinduism to awaken social consciousness. According to Madhu Lime, demonstrate courage not